today we are discussing about a beautiful topic called syllogism. Right. So what we have to know about syllogism is, so syllogisms, another name is also called as statements and conclusions. First of all, we should know what is meant by statements and conclusions, okay? Right, how the question will be given means, suppose he will give statements. There might be statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. There is no restriction that it should be only 2, 3, 4, anything. Okay, like that he will give some statements. Okay, followed by, he will give some conclusions. Conclusions will be again any number of conclusions he can give. C3, C1, C2, C3, C4 and so on, any number of conclusions. Okay. What we have to do is, from these statements, we have to take from that, am I able to conclude this one or not, we have to identify. Followed by option A, option B, option C, option D. 4 options will be given. Right. In that way, to be perfect in the examination, what you have to learn is, statements you should analyze first, undoubtedly. There might be one statement, 2, anything, any number of statements you should analyze. Next one, undoubtedly analyze the conclusions from the statements only for 2 conclusions. Only for how many? Only for 2 conclusions, not 3, 4. Okay. So, go with the options with 5 conclusions, 5 options. Okay. So, how many will get in the examination? 4 options. But I am saying that how many we have to practice? With 5 options. Because for these 2 conclusions, if you practice with 5 options, then he gives 4 conclusions and 4 options, 5 conclusions and 4 options, anything, you will feel that like this you can do. Okay, because all the models we can cover easily. Okay, so phase 1 is going with the statements. Okay, phase 2 is going with the conclusions. Phase 3 is going with the options. Means options also I need to explain you. Is it clear for you? Good. Now, here I will say one more important point, that if you already know the syllogism, if you want to follow the class, first of all, forget whatever you learned. Because in general, syllogism has 2 types of approaches. Approach one is, once upon a time, means maybe 15 years back, they used that is known as maximum encroachment diagram. Now, exactly it's reverse. Minimum possible diagram or minimum encroachment diagram we are using. Okay. So, 15 years back, I also used it to say that, or I said that I have 12 plus years of experience, right? Okay. At the beginning of my career, for the first 2-3 years, I used to go with maximum encroachment diagram. Okay. So, with the maximum encroachment diagram, you will get 100% right answers. With the minimum possible diagram or minimum encroachment diagram, you will get 100% correct answers. Both are the same. Suppose opposite or exactly the camera is the target for me to take. Okay, there is no route like this. Then what should I do? Either I can go like this or I can go like this. But both leads to the success only, right or wrong? That is one case, this is another case. That's why if you mix both, then you will get a beautiful conclusion. Ultimately, you will give 100% wrong answers. Not even 90%. 100% you will give the wrong answer. That's the beauty if you mix both. Both you can mix once you reach to a certain level. Okay. So that is the reason my intention is not making you as the faculty for syllogism. My intention is, in the examination, if you give 2 questions, 2 you should answer. Okay. The beauty is of this topic is you can answer each question in the span of 30 seconds. In the span of 30 seconds only. Okay. If you properly learn it, 100% accuracy is possible. 100% accuracy. Suppose yesterday while we are learning about permutations and combinations, day before yesterday, means before that we learned something called number system, LCM, HCF, divisibility rules, etc., etc. There a lot of confusion you faced. That is, sir, how do I get this idea in the examination hall? Yes or no? Do you have such idea, right? Such problem is there now. Okay, but this has a fixed approach. It has a fixed approach. Any question he gives, follow the fixed approach. Automatically you will get the answers. Means each question you can answer in 30 seconds with 100% accuracy. Okay, hope you understand the importance of this topic. Okay, right, good. So that's why anything if you know, better forget it. You feel that I am zero at syllogism and I am learning whatever the faculty says now. Okay, I will follow it. That is the important point. Okay. Now coming to statements. Okay. So in statements, he will use in general only 4 statements. Those are no, all, some not. Okay. These 4 statements he will use. We'll call them as sometimes predicates also. Okay, leave it. So these 4. So what happens is, first one I am explaining about no. First one I am explaining about no. Okay. No means, suppose the example is no A is B. Yeah, can I go with A, B or some other men, women, etc., etc. Realistic examples. A, B are realistic examples. Say loudly. Realistic. Okay, good. Okay, if I am explaining about realistic examples, don't get hurt. Okay. Suppose the example is no woman is kind. Okay. So hope you understand the realistic examples. Okay, the examples are very much beautiful. Okay, what is that? Sorry? Okay, no women is kind. Okay, right. Actually, after marriage, these two will be silent. Before marriage, it will be violent. What do you say? Good. So, if I want to take it, I'll go with the approach called Venn diagram approach. What I will do? Venn diagram. No women is kind means, sir, women is one set, kind is another set. These two has a relation or no relation? No relation. No women is kind. That's it. Yes or no? Okay, no women is kind is completed. Next one, suppose all. What I'm going with is all. Okay. So example. All men are kind. So one more point you should understand. I'm with fun. I'm explaining this ones. Okay. So because you will also activate, right? Good. So the other point is in syllogism, if you observe, in the directions part, for every question he will specify that. Okay. The whatever he gives in the statements, you should take it as true. Whatever he gives in the statements, you should consider it as true. Even though they varies with the commonly known facts, he will say. Okay. Suppose the statement I made is all men are women. You tell me, it is possible or impossible? Impossible, right? But still, in the statement, if you give that all men are women, you should, all men are women, okay. You should accept it. You should not say that, no, I'm not accepting. Okay. You should not. Okay, got it. That's why I'll give funny statements. Okay. Good. Come on. Come closer and sit. Okay, good. So, all men are kind. If you want to say that all men are kind, okay. So, men is one set and kind is another set. Is this correct one or not? Say yes or no. All men are kind. Okay. The other one, is this correct or wrong? You tell me. All men are kind. Say loudly. Some students will get a doubt that, sir, you said all men are kind. But if it is true, men is equal to kind. That means that all kind are equal to men. All kind are men. So you have not said, now how can you say that that is true? Very simple logic you have to understand is, okay. So, yeah, in the classroom, everybody completed graduation, right or wrong? Okay, good. So suppose I am asking a question. What's your name? Rajkumar. Okay. Karnataka. Okay. Right, good. So his name is Mr. Rajkumar. Okay. So I'm asking him, are you a passed student of +2 or not? Yes. Yeah, you are a degree qualified people, now. How can you say that +2 qualified? I'm asking, my question is, +2 qualification is there or not? Okay. Is it there or not? Yes, it is. The extra qualification is graduation. He might be completed post-graduation also. That is qualification or extra qualification? Extra qualification. Here the qualification is all men are kind. What's the qualification? All men are kind. Okay. Is it happening here or not? Is it satisfying it or not? Yes, it is satisfying. If it is satisfying means this diagram is correct. That's it. So it gives you another information. What is that? Sir, all kind are men. Or kind and men are equal, right or wrong? So those all are what I'm saying? Extra qualification. Extra qualifications might be there, might not be there. Yes or no? Okay, you should not think about it. You should not think about it. What you have to think is, whatever the statement that he passed, is it satisfied here or not? That's it. Is it satisfied here or not? You have to say that. Okay. Right. No, all completed. Next one. I'm going with the sum. I'm going with sum. Okay. Some women are brutal. Some women are brutal. That's the statement he passed. Okay, two statements are there. Women and brutal. These two have a relation or no relation? Yes, they have a relation, right? Since they have a relation, can I write them as, okay, these are the women and these are the brutal. Is this a correct one or not? You should never say that this is correct or wrong. Is it a possibility or not, I'm asking. Okay, is it a possibility or not? Yes, it is. Okay. What about this? Is it possible or not? Why? What's the statement?
Some are brutal, but not all brutal are women. Second
Okay.
one indicates all brutal.
He qualified inter or not, I will think. He qualified degree or not, that is not important for me. The other statements, what you can understand from this, I don't want. Is it happened here or not? What's the meaning of some women are brutal? So suppose you are all women, na? I found some women here, those are brutal. I can pass a statement, some women are brutal. Got my point? Some women are brutal. So these all are the women. These all are the women. So are they women or not? Yes or no? Okay, some women, tuch. Okay, some women are brutal. Yes or no? That's it. Some women are brutal. Happened or not? Happened. That's enough. Okay, no need to think that, sir, all brutal are becoming women. Okay, that is qualification or extra qualification for me? Extra qualification. I don't think of it. Okay, is my statement satisfied here or not? You have to check. Is it satisfied or not? Yes, it is. Okay. What about this? No. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose these all are the women, right? Randomly I have chosen some women. Are they brutal? So some women are brutal. All women also here brutal, yes or no? There is a qualification or extra qualification? So leave it. So my statement is happening here or not? My statement is wrong. Suppose if you say that, okay, this is wrong. Okay, here I am finding some women, those are brutal. How can you say that my statement is wrong? If you said that some women are brutal, I said. You said that no. What it means? No women is brutal. Yes or no? If my controversial is wrong, original is correct. If controversial is correct, original is wrong. Okay. What is the controversial of some women are brutal? All? No. No women are brutal. What is the controversial of some? No. Negation we will say mathematically. No women is brutal. Okay. Is this satisfies no women is brutal? Will it satisfy? No. Now tell me the controversial is correct or wrong one? Wrong one. Means the original is correct. Got my point? Okay. In the proofs of scientific experiments, two approaches will be there. Number one, I am assuming that is a chair. Proving that is a chair. Number two, I will take that is not a chair here. I will fail. Automatically that is proved. Yes, sir. Two approaches will be there. Contradiction is another approach. Now I'm explaining you with contradiction. Okay, what is the contradiction of some? No. Okay. No women is brutal. Is it correct? No. That means that negation is not this one. Means this is correct one only. Got it? Still have some doubt? After some time you will get the clarity. Don't worry. Okay, some women are brutal, right? The other one I'm taking is, suppose if I take this one. What he said, some women are brutal. Sir, these all are the women, sir. I'm taking some women. Okay, some women are brutal. Yes or no? Yes. So that's it. This is correct one. Okay, that is the meaning of some. Okay, next one. So we have completed some also, right? Now we have to go with some not. What's the other one? Some not. Okay, so from where we will get some not is important. From where we will get the concept of some not, we have to understand. Okay, Indians and Pakistanis actually has a relation or no relation? Suppose I have no relation with Pakistanis. I don't have any friend there, relation there, or enemy also there. But what happens is some of the Pakistanis has thrown the bombs onto India, my India. That's why on that particular people I have some, what we say, angriness. Yes or no? That's against the Humanity. That's why I don't happy with them. But if you take any Pakistani, on all Pakistanis, I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem. On all Afghanistan, I don't have any problem. Not only me, the India doesn't have a problem. That is the reason Prime Minister Narendra Modi has sent some what we say wheat and etc. to Afghanistan also. Yes or no? Okay, then now tell me, India has a rivalry with Afghanistan or no rivalry? Some of the Afghanistan who are terrorists, with them I have a problem. Okay, not only India but also with the help of what we say Afghanistanis. Okay, we will try to eradicate them. That's it. Yes or no? Okay, good. Now what happens is, some people will strongly inject into the brains of Pakistanis saying that Indians are your enemies. Indians are your enemies. Yes or no? That's why they will become terrorists. For those this was injected a lot, they act as a terrorist. Yes or no? Okay. So there is assume one terrorist is here. His name is Mr. Suppose Bin Laden is there. Okay. He loves India or he hates India? Hates India. Means in his mind one strong concept is injected, that is all Indians are their enemies, his enemies. Yes or no? Okay, good. Suppose I am the psychiatrist. Actually, those terrorists first need to be taken a counseling from the psychiatrist. Yes or no? Because they are mentally imbalanced. Wrong concepts are injected into their brains. Okay, what happens? Those need to be erased. Once it is erased means he will become a, you know, the greatness of Mr. Bin Laden. Actually, he is also like APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most wanted aeronautical engineer in the world. Okay, very much talented aeronautical engineer in the world. Number one. Number two, so he is his father is third richest person in the world that time. His father is third richest person in the world that time. Okay, so if his father is third richest what do we say person in the world, how can he live in the real life? Yeah, today Benz car, tomorrow no Benz, Ferrari, day after tomorrow Rolls Royce. 30 days 30 cars. Yes or no? Okay, so if we want to go for breakfast, why don't I go with helicopter? Yes or no? The breakfast is good at Bangalore, but lunch will be at Chennai. It is good. He should go like that with helicopter. Yes or no? He should enjoy the life. Yes or no? Okay, but where he lived here, he lived under caves, hill stations, with AC or without AC? Without AC, right or wrong? Hill stations means centralized sun AC will be there. Automatic sweat generation program, right or wrong? So in that situation he lived, means he has a strong determination that what he want to do. Yes or no? You all have the vision or attitude that yes, this time I want to clear the civil services. Yes or no? How much is that determination that you have, that much will be your success. Day one, when you join for any course, even when you come for CSAT workshop here for the 10 days program, the first day you should feel that now I am attending the CSAT workshop. Okay, if SAR has given a beautiful one, I will utilize 100%. Definitely this attempt I will clear the CSAT. Yes or no? With that mindset only you attended, right? Day 2, day 3, day 4 also you have the same mindset, or it was slowly what we can say diluted? Slowly dilutes. Definitely some extent it will dilute. Yes or no? Okay, if it is not a diluting, definitely you will become the next APJ Abdul Kalam of the country. Undoubtedly. You will become the next what we say Ambani of the country. Not at all a doubt. 100% is true. Okay, he trusted, he has that much of determination, okay, dedication towards his goal. That's why for that he left his home, his palace, his cars, everything. He is living under caves, hill stations, right or wrong? Now tell me, he has strong willpower. Yes or no? Are we need to inherit that one from him or not? Yes, we should inspire by him also. Only one problem is there, sir, in him. The bad thought that Indians need to be killed. Yes or no? Okay, the world need to be converted to Islamic, right or wrong? Such idiotic ideologies are there. Yes or no? So suppose if I am a strong psychiatrist and if I can remove that small chip from his memory, permanently delete it, shift delete, then now tell me here, is he APJ Abdul Kalam too? Yes or no? Automatically every office also have his photo. Yes or no? Nowadays, no office, right or wrong? His photo is not there in any office, right or wrong? Okay, that's why he was treated under me. I am the psychiatrist, assume. Okay, the terrorist is sitting here. Okay, what I will say? Okay, what do you think of Indians? He will say that all Indians are. He will say that all Indians are terrorists, not they are terrorists. Yes or no? All Indians are terrorists. They are enemies. Like that, he will give a paragraph of sentences, 10 sentences, 20 sentences, stating that Indians are waste, worst, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Suppose directly I said that you idiot, Indians are best. If I say, automatically you will say that bye bye. I am going to my home. Yes or no? Right. That's why what I will say is, oh, okay. Who said that? I will ask. He will give his examples. Okay. I will say that. Okay, you are Bin Laden. Bin Laden is from Afghanistan, right? Okay, you are in Afghanistani. You are a Taliban. Taliban means you are a student. Taliban meaning is student. Okay, you are a student. Okay, I am accepting. Okay, you feel that Indians are worst. Okay, do you think that all Indians are worst? All Indians are, what do we say, sinners? Do you think like that? Okay, he will initially say that yes. That's why I am ruthlessly killing all the Indians. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the terrorist bomb attacks, okay, the key players of Hindus or the key players of Christians are dying, or common men are dying. Common man means he has a feeling that I can kill even a common man. Yes or no? Because they are also sinners. Yes? Okay, okay, you have a feeling that all Indians are sinners. Okay. So you don't have food 1 year back or 2 years back. When Americans left Afghanistan, you don't have food. Yes or no? So who gave the food for you? Is America given food for you? So before America, Russia is there in Afghanistan for some years, right? Okay, is the Russians given some food for you? Okay, you are many times says that China, China, China. Is the Chinaman gave you the food? No. Who gave the food? Indians. Don't say that all the 150 crores of people. Okay, at least one person, Narendra Modi said that give the food to Afghanistanis. Okay, still are you able to say that Narendra Modi is a sinner? If I ask this question to him, will he say that yes, Modi is a sinner? Will he say like that, or he will say that no, Modi okay, gentleman, I won't kill him? Yes or no? Then I got one beautiful point that not all Indians are sinners. Yes or no? He has a feeling that all Indians are sinners. Now, one small step towards that one, that is, okay, not all Indians are sinners. Yes or no? Okay, after this statement, okay, so we will go for one session is completed. I said that, okay, go home. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet again, or 2 days later we'll meet again. Again, consultation. We'll discuss something. Okay, in the, not only what we say, Narendra Modi, what we say, the finance minister also accepted. Nirmala Sitharaman is also a kind-hearted person. Like the 10 members in 2 sittings completed. Okay, what's the conclusion I got? All Indians are sinners, or not all Indians are sinners? Not all. That means that I can pass a statement that some Indians are not sinners. Yes or no? Both are same or not? All Indians are not sinners means some Indians are not sinners. What's the meaning of some not? Not all. Or all not. This is the meaning of some not. Here after 100th session, I might say that Indians are too good. Yes or no? It will happen or it might be happen. Say loudly. After 100 sittings with Bin Laden, being the psychiatrist like me, like this, okay, after 100 sessions, I might convey him stating that all Indians are kind. Yes or no? It will happen or it might happen? Might happen. Okay. Where he started his journey? All Indians are sinners. Okay. So, first step is some Indians are not sinners. It has an extent that no Indian is a sinner. Yes or no? Okay, the same example I am writing here. Some Indians are not sinners. Okay? With Osama bin Laden, my conclusion is yes or no? Okay, good. So, what I can say is some Indians are not sinners means these are the Indians, these are the sinners. Is this correct or not? Because here are some Indians, like he accepts Narendra Modi, Nirmala Sitharaman, like that 10 members, right or wrong? Those are not sinners. This is my first phase, right or wrong? So, at the next phase is, some Indians are not sinners, right or wrong? Is it also a possibility? Here are some Indians who are not sinners, yes or no? Yes or no? Is this possible or not? Yes, it is. Okay, next one. After some extent, I will make him that, yeah, no Indian is sinner. It has some inner meaning of that one also, right or wrong? Okay, these 3 are the possibilities for it. These three are the possibilities for it. Am I clear? Right, good. Am I clear so far? Here, now I have given the meanings of 4 statements, right? The meanings of 4 statements. Now I'll give you the basic diagram for each and every statement. What I will give now? The basic diagram for each. So, no women is kind. This is the only diagram which we will call it as basic diagram. Don't say BD doesn't mean that this one. Okay? BD means that basic diagram. Okay? Right. All men are kind. Okay, all men are kind. This is the basic diagram. This is an alternate diagram or possible diagram. What it is? An alternate diagram or a possible diagram. Next one. Some women are brutal. Okay. For this, women and brutal have some relation. Yes or no? To express that, I am keeping an arrow like that and I will call it as basic diagram. Okay, that is the basic diagram. All the remaining 3 are possible diagrams or alternate diagrams. At least you got the acceptance. Okay, good. So the remaining 3 are possible diagrams. Okay, now some not. For some not, okay, these two might have a relation, might not have a relation. Some not means that some relation might be possible, might not be possible, right? Okay, it is looking like no, right? Yes or no? But I want to differentiate, right or wrong? That is the reason I will say that arrow, no means like this, strikeout should be there. Okay, I am going to no. Okay, this is no now. No means I will say that these two have no relation. Strikeout will be there for no. Some not, I don't keep that strikeout. These two, already I am feeling that no relation. Some relation can also be possible. Okay, this is the basic diagram for this. This is the basic diagram for this. Am I clear? Good. Next one. Here I'll give 4 statements again. Okay. So first of all, I'll draw the diagrams. Okay, this is the first diagram. Second diagram. Third diagram. Fourth diagram. Fifth diagram. Okay. Now I will pass the statements. Okay. Which of the following are the basic diagrams? Followed by the alternate or possible diagrams. You have to explain me. Okay. Good. First one. All A's or B's. Okay. What is the first one? The basic diagram. Among these 5, all A's or B's, which is the basic diagram? Fourth one. Good. What is the any other possibilities? Third one. Any other? That's it. That's it. Okay, second one. All B's are A's. All B's are A's. Tell me. What is the basic diagram? Fifth one. Okay. What is the other? Third. Okay, great. Next one. Some A's or B's. What is the basic diagram? Second. Okay. What is the alternate diagrams? Only 4, 5 or 3 also? Some A's or B's. These are A's or B's also. So that is also right. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Fourth one. Some B's are A's. What is the basic diagram? What is the basic diagram? Second one only. Right? What are the other possibilities? 3, 4 and 5. Beautiful. Fifth one. No A is B. What is the one? Only first one. No other possibility also. That is the basic diagram as well as only possible diagram. Okay. No B is A. Which is the possible one? Only first one. No other is a possibility. Superb. Okay. Seventh one. Some A's are not B's. What's the basic diagram? Some not all. Some not all. Some not all. Which is the basic diagram? Like no. It will be the basic diagram. Okay? This will be the basic diagram. Not that one. Got it? This is the basic diagram. Okay. Right. Which one? First one is the basic diagram. Any other possibility? Some not. Second one is also a possibility. Any other? Some A's are not B's means not all A's are B's. Yes or no? Not all A's are B's means this is possible or not possible? Here all A's are B's. It's not possible. Is it? Here also all A's are B's. Some not means all not. Okay. So fourth one is not possible. What about this? Sir, here are some A's which are not B's. So some A's are not B's is possible. So other one is 5. Clear? Eighth one. Some B's are not A's. Some B's are not A's. Okay. Yeah, what's the basic diagram? First one. What are the other possibilities? Definitely 2 is a possibility, right? What about any other? Fourth one is a possibility. Okay. And if you observe, actually we have 4 statements only. I made it 8. What I made in first and second is the subjects I have changed. What is the first one? All A's are B's. Here all B's are A's. Means just reverse I did. Same here also. Some A's are B's. Okay. And some B's are A's. Just reverse. Okay. Some not also reverse. No also reverse. Yes or no? Subjects I have reversed. Even though if you reverse the subject, some will be same only if you observe. In all the cases it will be same. In all the cases it will be same. No will be same if you observe. Yes or no? No A is B, no B is A. Both are same. Okay. But these two are not same. All and some not are not same. Observe. 4, 3, 5, 3. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4. Both are same or different? Different. So now I said that these two are same, these two are not same, right? What is the advantage of it? Right now we don't know. After some time you will know that. Okay. Right. Before going to the next one. Okay. So we have to go for a few more points. Okay. Here we have a concept called universal and particular sense. Okay. We have total 4, right? What they are? No and all, some not. Total 4. Okay. What I will say is, okay, which are negation to each other. What is the meaning of negation? Opposite. Okay, negation. Okay, for no, okay, so first we have to go with the classification. Universal predicates and particular predicates. And particular predicates. What is meant by universal? Suppose you are all students. Suppose I said that all students are kind. Now tell me, I am speaking about one particular student or one group of students, or I am speaking about all the students? All. Means can I say that this is universal? Okay, all is universal. Okay. Suppose I said that, okay, no student is an idiot. Suppose. Now tell me, I am speaking about some particular students or all the students? All the students. Means this is also universal. All and no are universal. Suppose I said that some students are rich. I said that some students are rich. Now tell me, I am speaking about all or only few? That is universal or particular? Particular. Okay. Right. I said that some students are not rich. Now tell me, here also I am speaking about all the students or some students only? Some students. So it is universal or particular? Particular. Okay. Some and some not are particular. Okay. Negation means, suppose I ate my food. What is the negation of it? I had not ate my food. Yes or no? What is the I ate food means not ate. Suppose I said that I am not interested. What is the negation? Okay. So if there is a negative mode, remove it. If there is no negative mode, add it. Yes or no? Okay. Now, no and some not. For these two, we have to go for negations. We have to go for negations. Okay. So these two are positive or these two are negative? Negative. Negative means negations are positives. Negations are positive. Sir, we have two positives, sir. Some and all. Some and all. Remember that universal negation means particular positive. Particular negative means universal positive. Okay. Because I said that some not means all not. All not means negation is all. So some not negation is all. No negation is some. So this is universal, particular. Particular, universal. Okay, those are the negations. Some is not beautiful. Okay, these are the negations. Yeah, the negations importance we will find after some more time. When we are discussing about the conclusions, you will understand it. Okay, right. What are the positive predicates that we have? Positive ones. All and some. What are the negative ones we have? No and some not. Okay. What are the universal predicates we have? All and no. What are the particular ones? Some and some not. Okay. What are the negation of no? No. Negation is some. No is universal means particular, positive. Okay, some. Okay. What are the negation of some not? All. Clear for you? Good. Next one. Sir, what is the first statement? No women is kind. No women is kind. Okay. Any other word I can use instead of no? Women are not kind. Yes or no? Okay. Means not is a word that represents no women is kind. So not, no. Both are same or both are different? Both are same. Okay. So the other statement that I can pass here is no women is kind now. Women are not kind. Okay, these two are same. Okay, the other one that in general he can use is not. Okay, the next one all. All, any other you can imagine? I'm speaking about all or yes or no. Okay, instead of that, are you able to use any other? Instead of saying all, you can use any other words. Suppose I want to say that all students are kind. Instead of saying all, any other. Good, students are kind. Or else, every student is kind. Each student is kind. Okay. So simply, men are kind if I said. Men are kind means all men are kind. Got it? These are the other ones. These are the other ones he will use. Okay, next one. Some examples. Some. Say loudly. Few. A few. Little. A little. Okay. Or much. Many. More. Yeah, what do you tell? Less. Mostly. Okay, most. Many written. Okay, many. More written. Okay, any other? So sometimes he says that, okay, some chairs are tables. Sometimes he will say that few chairs are tables. Yes or no? Sometimes he will say that, okay, many tables are chairs. All are same or different? Say it loudly. Same. Okay. So all will have same. Okay. Next one, some not already I have explained you. Not all or all not. Suppose if you want to say that some Indians are not sinners, then we can say that all Indians are not sinners. All Indians are not sinners. Okay. Or not all Indians are sinners. Yes or no? Okay. These are the first point here. Okay. So far, if you observe, all the four, what we say, predicates, I just introduced to you, right or wrong? Okay. Suppose, sir, he gave two statements at a time. I want the basic diagram. I want the basic diagram as well as possible diagrams. Shall we do one? Are you ready? Okay, good. Suppose he said that statement 1. S1 means statement 1, S2 means statement 2. Some A's are B's. Statement 2. All B's are C's. All B's are C's. These are the two examples that we have. Two examples that we have. Okay. So what I can say is, basic diagram I am drawing. Some A's are B's. If it is A, if it is B, some relation is there. So I have to keep an arrow mark like this. Okay. First statement, basic diagram completed. Next one, all B's are C's. This is the basic diagram, right or wrong? All B's are C's. Okay, basic diagram completed. Okay. Shall we go with the possible diagrams now? The other name of possible diagrams is alternate diagrams. Okay. Right. So some A's are B's. All B's are C's. Is it a possibility? Yes or no? I am not asking it is the diagram or not. I'm saying, is it a possibility or not? Yes? Okay, good. Is this a possibility? Some A's are B's, yes or no? Yes or no? All B's are C's, yes or no? Okay, I'm not saying this is a diagram. I'm saying that this is a possibility, yes or no? Yes? Okay, good. Next one. Is this a possibility? Some A's are B's, all B's are C's. Extra, all A's are also C's. Okay, that can happen, cannot happen, yes or no? Okay, that's why, is it a possibility or not? Yes, it is. Okay. What about this? Some A's are B's, all B's are C's. What about this? No. Why? Because, sir, where some A's are B's, sir? Okay, this is not a possibility. Okay. What about this? Some A's are B's, yes or no? Okay. All B's are C's, yes or no? That's it. It's a possibility. Okay. Next one. Some A's are B's. All B's are C's. That's it. Okay. Is it a possibility or not? Now tell me, these are the only possibilities or some other also possible? Some other. Okay. So, and so on and so on and so on. Okay. I understand. I hope everybody got the meaning of statements. Can I trust it? Yes. If you said okay means, I'll go with the conclusions. Yeah.
Other diagrams other than the basic one.
In syllogism part, I'll restrict the doubts to one level, that is, number one, if you understand this, that is enough. Don't go with the remaining. Because, as I said earlier, when I start this, suppose, okay, when I draw this diagram, you said that, what is this, how it is, yes or no, confusion. If you think of future, it will be only confusion. Okay? So, here whatever is the, other than women are brutal, etc. Okay, whatever is the concept that I said, each and everything I will utilize. Each and everything I will utilize. Okay, right, good. So, my teaching style actually is, not only for this I am saying, sometimes I will play the jokes also. Other than that, if I give one point, definitely that is helpful either in my class or in your examination. Okay? Randomly I said that this is some point is, you can think like this also. If I said, and I have not given any example also, not a problem. Definitely while doing the problems, or at least in your examination, that is helpful. Is it clear for you? Okay, 100% regarding subject, whatever I said, I will use it. Trust it. Okay, good. Anyhow, now I am going to conclusions. Okay, if I want to say something about conclusions, first I'll go with one example. Okay, the example is statements. First one, some A's are B's. Second one, all B's are C's. The same I am giving. Third one, no C is D. 3 statements I made. How many statements I made? 3 statements. Now I am going to some conclusions. Okay. So first conclusion I am taking is, some A's are C's. Second one, some A's are D's. Third one, all A's are C's. Fourth one, all A's are D's. Fifth one, all A's can be C's. Sixth one, all A's, this is A here, A's can be D's. Seventh one, all C's are A's. Eighth one, all D's are A's. Ninth one, all C's can be A's. 10th one, all D's can be A's. 11th one, yeah, what happened? These many conclusions you are thinking? No, this is just developing the concept. Okay, if I want to develop, okay, if I am giving 10 conclusions, I have given you 10 questions or 5 questions at least. Okay, right. So all the concepts should be developed at a time, undoubtedly. Okay, right. 11th one. Some A's are not D's. 12th one. No B is D. 13th one. Some D's are not A's. 14th one. Some A's are not D's. Okay, suppose 14 conclusions. Actually, we can draw few more. Okay, but 14 I have written. Okay. So, if I want to solve it, the first point you should notice is, so we should identify the conclusions in two ways actually. Definite conclusions and possible conclusions. Definite conclusions and possible conclusions. Okay. What's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? Okay. Suppose I said that, suppose, somebody asked me that, okay, is Rajkumar a kind person or not? Is Rajkumar a good person or not? Suppose they are asking me. If I said that Rajkumar is good person, is this correct one or wrong one? You tell me, yaar. Somebody is asking me, is Rajkumar is a good one or good person or not? What I said? Yes, he is a good person. Is my statement valid or invalid? Not at all. Why? Because I don't know his name also. Just now I asked him what's your name. He said that Rajkumar. Okay, what I noticed inside the classroom, if I say something, oh, okay sir, I learned it. If he has any doubt, he is asking. In the classroom, when he is asking, not asking that, you repeat the next question. He is not asking like that. Sir, please repeat the previous question. Like that means, like a gentleman, he is behaving in the classroom. Sir, I can say something about how he is behaving in my class. But I am unable to say that how he behaves with his friends. Yes or no, yaar? Inside the classroom, that especially in front of the faculty, most of the students are very good in behavior. Yes or no? Go to home, go to hostel rooms, night time. You will find the phase 2 of that person. Yes or no? Right or wrong? So if I said that, okay, Rajkumar is good, it is ridiculous. Okay, because I don't know how he behaves in his hostel. I don't know whether he respects his parents or not. I don't know every day night he will take a beer or not. I don't know how many girlfriends he has simultaneously or ex present, etc. Yes or no? How can I say that he is a good person? Yes or no, yaar? Truly, okay, I am not the right person to judge you. At the same time, suppose he is asked that, sir, is Rajkumar a good person? I said no. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong only, yaar. Okay, because in my classroom, I might feel that he is not a good person. But he might help so many people outside. Yes or no, yaar? Yes. So, am I able to say that he is not a good person? Okay. So, but observe a small point. In my classroom, he is a good one, right? Okay. He is asking, is he a good one? I said that, in my classroom, he is behaving well. Maybe he is a good one. Is this a valid or invalid statement? Valid. Because, yeah, in my classroom, he is behaving well. That's why I am giving a conclusion that he might be a good person. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose, before I come to the class only, I realized that when he is coming to the class, just last puff and like this. Okay, I came to the class. Okay, he is asking that, is he a good one or not? Okay, just now I saw last puff. So automatically I will say that good or bad. But I will conclude finally, or I will say that he might be a bad one. Yeah, at this age he is smoking. Yes or no? Okay. So I said that he is a bad person or he might be a bad person. Okay, means it is a correct one or wrong one? Say loudly. Yes. Okay. Sir, the first two statements, first two conclusions, he is asking something about him. Means I am concluding about him, yes or no? Okay. First two conclusions, you are not accepted. Once I said yes, you said no. Second time I said no, you said that no. Yes or no? Means I said he is a good person, you not accepted. I said bad person, you not accepted. Yes or no? Why? Because those two are definite conclusions. If I want to make a definite conclusion about that person, okay, I should know him very well. In the past, what's your age? Suppose 20, sweet 16, suppose. And in all the 16 years, I have to check him. Yes or no? If I have an overview on the 16 years, then I am the right person to judge him. Am I right or wrong? Else, no. Else, no. Suppose somebody is the last two conclusions, I am not passing any definite conclusion. I am saying might be. Might be means it is a possible. That situation you accepted. When I said he is a kind person, you accepted. When I said he is not a kind person, also you accepted. Or a gentleman, you accepted. Not a gentleman, you accepted. Because that time, possibility you are saying means no need to check entire one. At least one case is there. Yesterday we discussed permutations and combination. All are possibilities only, right? In that possibility, one possibility is there that he is becoming a very good person. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So that's why at least one case it is correct. You accepted it. Yes or no? Okay. He has a puff. Last puff. No, it's not good for health. Okay, leave it. So that situation, what I said, okay, he might not be a good person. You accepted because he might have 100 characteristics. In that one is definitely wrong. Okay, so he can be wrong. He is wrong or he can be wrong. One possibility is there. So you accepted, yes or no? Okay. So conclusion should always be classified into two types. Number one is definite. Number two is indefinite or possibilities. If you want to say something about definite one, in every case it should be perfect. In every case it should be perfect. If you are saying something about indefinite, no need to check all the cases. At least one case is there that is supporting that one. Okay, you will accept, yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So now I am classifying the conclusions here. Okay, the conclusions can be classified into two types. What they are? Definite and indefinite. Indefinite means possibility. Don't ask me the spellings. I'll write two extraordinary statements. Spellings. Okay, possibility. Okay, is this correct? Possibility? Oh, luckily I got it. Come on, have you developed it? Right. So now observe a small point here. The indefinite, you have only single approach. What is that? At least in one case it is correct or not, you are checking. Yes or no? When I am saying he is a good person, only one case you verified. When I said he is not a good person, you verified only at least one case. Yes or no? Where it is true, right? Okay. Indefinite, positive, negative, two types will not be there. But definite, positive we will do in one way, negatives we will do in a different way. Okay, definite positive conclusions, definite negative conclusions. We will do it, deal them separately. We will deal them separately. First, I will go with the definite positive. What I am going with? Definite positive. Okay, definite positive has only one approach. Here, first, shall we segregate these into definite positive, definite negative, indefinite? Shall we segregate? Okay, which type of the first one? Some A's or C's? Why it is indefinite? Indefinite means we should have the words possibility, can, may, could, might, yes or no? Okay, those words are there means definitely that is indefinite. Else it is definite only. Okay, first one is definite. Positive or negative? Positive, definite positive. Second one is some A's or D's. Definite positive. Third one is all A's or C's. Definite positive. Next one is all A's are D's. You decide here. Definite positive. Okay, fifth one is all A's can be C's. Can. Can means it's a possibility, right or wrong? Okay, indefinite. All A's can be D's. Indefinite. Okay, all C's are A's. Definite positive. Indefinite positive, negative, two types, right? Okay, definite positive. Next one, all D's are A's. Definite positive. All C's can be A's. Indefinite. Yeah, those who answers me, they won't get Annie's. You know, those who get that, they're not involved into the class. Automatically at certain point of time, that's it only. Okay. So try to involve, try to answer me. Okay. Yeah. And one more point you can understand when I discuss number system, foundation components, I have not said that answer me, answer me, answer me. Because if you understand, that's enough. But this is not like that. It's a continuous process. Okay. At any one place, if you just miss the chain, the next onwards it is not. Observe a train here. At one compartment or other compartment, just one link was failed. What happens? The entire backside will be lost, na? Like this, it will also be. Okay. That's why very carefully answer me. Okay. All C's can be yes. Indefinite. Can be indefinite. Okay. All D's can be yes. Indefinite. Some A's are not D's. Definite negative. No B is D. Some D's are not D's. Is a possibility. Indefinite. I have converted it into indefinite, right or wrong? Okay, next one. Some A's are not D's. Definite negative. Got it. Very good. Now, when you want to deal with the definite positive, check the basic diagram. Check the basic diagram and decide. No need to check all the remaining. Okay, definite means you have to check in every case it is true, right or wrong? Okay, I am going with minimum possible diagram, right or wrong? In the minimum only it is correct. That means that in the maximum it will definitely be correct, right or wrong? No need to check all the other. Only check the basic diagram. Only check the basic diagram. Okay, right, good. Shall we start the validation of the conclusions? I am going with only definite positive conclusions. Okay, first one. Some A's are C's. Some A's are C's. Okay, it is definite positive. Okay, first I have to draw the basic diagram, right? Okay, what's the one? Some A's are B's. Some A's are B's. This is the basic. Okay, these two has a relation. So this symbol. All B's are C's. All B's are C's. Okay. No C is D. C and D has a relation or no relation. So you should have into mark. Okay, basic diagram is completed. Okay, so definite positive means check the basic diagram and decide. Means in the basic diagram, if it is correct, that is correct. If it is wrong, that is wrong. Okay. So all A's are C's. Yeah, verify here. All A's are C's. No. Some A's are C's. Is it happening or not? Yes, it is. So this is correct or wrong? First one is correct. Go to the second one. Some A's are D's. Okay. Definite positive, right? From the basic diagram, you have to decide, right? Is it happening or not happening? So this is right or wrong? Ruled out. Next one. All A's are C's. Which diagram it is? Which one it is? Definite positive. What should I do? From the basic, I have to decide. Okay. Is all A's are C's? No. Okay. Correct or wrong? Next one. All A's are D's. Definite positive. From the basic, I decided. Yes or no? No. Wrong. Okay. Any other? All C's are A's. Definite positive. Tell me, are all C's are A's or not? No. So ruled out. All D's are A's. From the basic only, na? Ruled out. Yeah, these are the definite positive conclusions we completed. Definite positive are very difficult or very simple? Very simple. Okay. Now, don't go with the definite negative. Go with the possibilities or indefinite. Okay. Sir, I said that when I feel that inside the classroom he is behaving well, somebody is asking, is he good or not? I said that in my classroom he is good only. So, he might be a good person if I said. Okay. That is valid or invalid? Valid. Sir, actually regarding him, we might have 100 characteristics, right or wrong? Have gone through all or only one I said? Only one I said which supports me. Okay, if it is able to support means automatically that is correct, yes or no? Okay, so if I want to validate possibilities, okay, suppose he is asking about all these can be yes or not. For this we have so many possibilities, right? Really speaking, are you able to write all the possibilities for it? No, it might have 20 possibilities, 30 possibilities. When you are writing, so much of time you will waste, number one. Number two, okay, so even though you are ready to waste your time, sometimes what happens, you will forget some possibilities. Yes or no? If you forget that possibility, one among them is, suppose this is the one, automatically your answer will be wrong. That is the reason, don't go for all possibilities. Okay, what I will do is, I will amend the basic diagram. I will amend the basic diagram such that the possibility is correct. Such that the possibility is correct. Suppose if it is contradicting with the given statements, that means that is possible or impossible? Impossible. If it is not contradicting means possible only, yes or no? Now tell me, I have to go with infinite, 20, 30 possibilities or single one? Single step. What I did? Amend the basic diagram such that the possibilities or the indefinite conclusion is correct. Okay. If it is contradicting with the given statements, it is correct or wrong? Wrong. If it is not contradicting, it is correct. Got my point, all of you? Okay. So what should I do? Okay. Amend the basic diagram if required. Not always it is required. If required, to make the indefinite conclusion is true. Is true. If it is contradicting with the given statements, if it is contradicting with the given statements, it is wrong. It is wrong. Else, it is correct. Else, it is correct. Do you understand my point? That's what we discussed now. Okay, 20, 30 possibilities I am unable to draw, sir. What I will do is, I will amend the basic diagram if required to make it correct. If it is contradicting with the given statements, no, it is not possible. If it is not contradicting means that is possible. Okay? Okay. Shall we go with the, what do we say? Here, always no need to amend the basic diagram. If required, only amend the basic diagram. Sometime in the basic diagram, it will happen. Okay, you should say that, oh, it already happened now, no need to amend the basic diagram. It is correct, that's it. Okay, right, good. Here, in indefinite, no positive, no negative difference. Both we will treat it as the same. Okay, right. See the first one. All A's can be C's. All A's can be C's. Okay, can means possibility. Possibility means, okay, is it happening all A's are C's? All A's are C's? No. Okay, so I will amend the basic diagram. I will amend the basic diagram. Okay, this is my amendment. Okay, I know that A and B has a relation from the diagram only I am finding it, right or wrong? A has a relation only with B. Okay, I'll write the A like this. A and B has a relation. Means the relations are not disturbed. The relations are not disturbed. I have amended the basic diagram such that all A's are C's. Means I made it. Okay, now tell me, is it contradicting with the given statements or not contradicting? Not contradicting. Not contradicting means it's a possibility. So, fifth one is correct. Fifth one is correct. Do you understand my point? Okay, good. Next one. All A's can be this. All A's can be this. Okay, now I have to try it as a possibility, right or wrong? Okay, so possibility means if required, I will amend the basic diagram. Is all A's are becoming D or not? Not. Okay, then what I will do is, sir, D has no relation with C, yes or no? Okay, if I draw like this, is all A's are D's okay, but some C's are also D, right? That should happen or should not happen? Are you able to amend the basic diagram or unable to amend the basic diagram? If you amend automatically, it is giving some contradiction, right? If you are getting some contradiction, means that is correct one or wrong one? Okay, so now tell me, sixth one is correct one or wrong one? Okay, good. Shall we go to the ninth one? Okay, all C's can be. All C's can be yes. Okay, sir, I know one thing that A should have a relation with B. That's it. Yes or no? Okay, what do you want? Okay, on C, A should be there, right or wrong? Okay, I'll amend the basic diagram like this here. Can I write the A like this? Can I? Okay. Okay, if I can write A like this, here what I can say? Is it contradicting with the given statements? No. Okay, but it is a possibility. Now tell me, the ninth one is correct or wrong? Correct. Okay, what's the next one? All these can be, yes, okay. Can means a possibility. Can means a possibility. Yeah, what happens here? D need to be stored inside A. Yes or no? Okay. Sir, D should not have a relation with C. That is your intention, right or wrong? Okay, then what I will do is, okay, I will write the D like this. This is A, na? Inside I am writing the D. Okay, if you observe, it doesn't have a relation with C. Do you understand that? Can I place like that or unable to place? Yes, I can. Okay, now tell me, it is possible or impossible? Yes or no? Okay, possible. Okay, 13th one. Some D's are not A's. Is a possibility. Some D's are not A's. Is a possibility. Sir, no need to draw a diagram, sir. Observe that here I found some D's which are not A's. Yes or no? Is it possible or not possible? So, amendment is required or not required? Okay, directly 13th one is correct. Do you understand how do I go for definite positives and indefinite ones? Rajkumar, good. Right, next one. Sir, definite positive completed, indefinite completed, sir. Now I want to go with negative conclusions, which are definite negative. Okay. Definite negative means, so I want to say that Rajkumar is a bad boy. Suppose if I want to prove that, if I want to accept it, what should I do here? I have two approaches. Okay, I will note all his activities for a 1 year. In all the 1 year cases, okay, early morning, he will wake up at 10 in the morning early. Okay, without washing his teeth, he will go for bed coffee and then breakfast. Then go for the brushing. No, then go for the bathing. Then brushing. Okay, etc. etc. Night, one beer in conjunction with one vodka. Okay, combination he is drinking. Suppose like that 1 year I have proved. Then automatically I have proved that successfully he is a bad boy. Yes or no, yeah? Okay, good. This is one way proving. The other way is I will say that suppose, okay, he is asking me, sir, is he a bad boy? Okay, so I am saying that no, he is a good boy. Means I am going in the same way or contradiction? Contradiction, okay. So the disadvantage of the previous one is what he is asking, is he a bad boy? Then what I have to do to prove that he is a bad boy? I have to summarize all these things. So many things I have to show. Okay. Instead of that, what I will do is, okay, I will say that he is a good boy. I will say that he is a good boy. If he fail, automatically he is a bad boy. Yes or no? Okay, means the contradiction I have taken. If the contradiction failed, that is correct. Yes or no? If the contradiction is not correct, that is, if the contradiction is correct, then I will say that is wrong. If the contradiction is not correct, that is right. Yes or no? Okay. So what I will do is go with the negation. First, what you have to do is, okay, it is definite now. Definite means in every case it should happen. Yes or no? In every case means basic diagram is also a case, right? Okay, in that case, if it fails, automatically that is fails one. Yes or no? Okay. Check basic diagram. Check basic diagram. If wrong, conclusion is wrong. Conclusion is wrong. Yes or no? If correct in basic diagram, what I said, I'll go in the direct manner or negation? Negation. Okay. Check the negation is possible or not. Check the negation is possible or not. Okay. So negation is possible. Means originally it is correct or wrong? Okay, what's the question here? Is he a bad boy? What's the negation? He's a good boy. If it is possible, means correct. That means that is wrong. Yes or no? Sun rises in the west is wrong. Means that in the east is correct. Yes or no? Okay, if the negation is wrong, conclusion is correct. If the negation is correct, conclusion is wrong. So that means that if possible or not, if the negation is possible, if the negation is possible, that implies conclusion is wrong, and vice versa. Vice versa means if the negation is not possible, conclusion is correct. Here, the most beautiful word you have to understand, underline here is, here, I am not saying that take it as a definite positive, definite negative. I am saying that it is possible or not. Possible means definite or indefinite? Indefinite. The negation, when you write it, take it as a possibility, then verify. Take it as a possible. That's why I am writing always possible, possible, possible. If the negation is possible, conclusion is wrong. If the negation is not possible, it is correct. Got my point, all of you? Okay, good. Shall we do the examples? Okay. Yeah, the first definite negative is this is the one. Some years are not this. Some years are not this. It is positive, definite positive or definite negative? Say loudly. Definite negative. First, he said that clearly. Check the basic diagram. If wrong, it is wrong. The game is over. No need to go with any other statement. Yes or no? If correct only, we have lot of steps. Okay. Here, observe that some A's are not B's. Yes, here I have the A's. Okay, can I redraw the basic diagram? Because already I have drawn so many times. Nah? Okay, no problem. I will write it. Okay, some A's are B's. All B's are C's. Okay, and no C is D. Okay, good. This is the basic diagram. Okay, good. Some A's are not this. Yes, some A's are not this. Means from the basic it is wrong or right? Right. Okay, from the basic if it is right, what should I do? Go with the negation. What is the negation of? This is some or some not? Some not. What is the negation of some not? What is the negation of some not? All. Okay. All. A's are this. All A's are this. Now tell me here, you have to take it as a definite positive one or an indefinite one. I said possible. It is possible or not. Means you have to take it as a possibility. Okay? Or indefinite. If you want to take it as an indefinite one, try to make it correct. Yes or no? All A's are this means you have to amend like this. D should be drawn like this. Yes or no? But sir, it is contradicting, sir. Yes or no? C and D has a relation or no relation? But it is creating some relation. Means that is possible or not possible? Which is not possible? The conclusion or the negation? Say loudly. Conclusion or the negation? Negation not possible. Means conclusion is possible. Okay. Negation is not possible. Means conclusion is correct. Am I clear? Shall we go for the next one? No B is D. No B is D. Okay. So, no B is D. Yes, from the basic it is happening. If it is correct from the basic, what should I do? Negation. Negation. It is not the definite positive. If it is definite positive, take the decision from the basic diagram. But it is negative, definite negative. Okay. If it is correct means go with the negation. What is the negation of no? Okay. Some B's are these. Some B's are these means, okay, D should be written like this, right? Okay. Right or wrong? If I write the D like this, is it contradicting with the given statements or not? Yes or no? C and D doesn't have any relation. It is forming some relation. Yes or no? Is it contradicting or not? Which is contradicting? Negation. Negation is contradicting. Means original is correct. Okay. Original is correct. So 12th one is correct. Okay. Right. 14th one. Yeah. Those two are same, na? Why should I give the same here? No, I will change it. I have the facility. Okay, change it. Some D's are not A's. Some D's are not A's. Okay. Some D's are not A's means definite negative, sir. From the basic I have verified, sir. Some D's are not A's. Okay, it is correct, sir. Okay, if it is correct means what should I do? Negation. What's the negation of some not? All. Okay. All D's are yes. Okay, if all D's are yes, yeah, what I can say is, sir, the D I can place like this. Yes or no? D should not have a relation with C. Yes, I have placed it like that only. Exactly. Yes or no? Okay, now tell me here, which is possible? The conclusion or the negation? Oh, negation is possible. Means conclusion is wrong. Okay, what is one is wrong. Do you understand how to handle the conclusions? Do you understand how to handle the conclusions? This is the way that we have to handle it. Okay? Okay? Anybody can summarize all the three types of conclusions? Anybody can summarize? Summarize? Yes? Come on. Definite positive. What will you do? Check with the basic diagram. If it is correct, it is correct. If it is wrong, it is wrong. That's it. Both you have to say. Good. Next one. No. Indefinite. Go for. The sequence is important because if you want to go for definite negative, you need the possibility. Means indefinite. That's why go with the indefinite. Okay. Indefinite. What will you do? Amend the diagram if required to make the given possibility a correct one. Next. If it is contradicting with the given statements, the conclusion is wrong. Not contradicting means correct. Conclusion is correct. Okay, now definite negative. Check it in the basic diagram. Check it in the basic diagram. In the basic, if it is wrong, happy it is wrong. No need of all this irritating things. It is wrong only. Happy. Oh, thank God. Right or wrong? Okay. So, what should we think? If it is correct, go with the negation. Okay. So, negation, then? No, if the negation is possible. Because if you say it is correct means it is definite. If the negation is possible, the conclusion is wrong. If the negation is not possible, conclusion is correct. Do you understand that? Yeah. Where you will fail initially, especially for possibilities. Possibilities you fail means automatically definite negative also you will fail. Yes or no? Where you fail is, observe that all these are yes. I have properly kept D in A without contradiction. Yes or no? Means accurately I have shooted with it. Yes or no? That is required. That is required. That is required. To get it, we need to practice it. Yes or no? All the possibilities. When you find a statement, okay, this, that, okay, okay. All possibilities you should get in your brain. Second statement, okay, already these all, okay, this is the basic. Other, it is possible, it is possible. That should come into your brain. Then automatically a beautiful picture will be there in your brain that you can apply in the diagram. You can apply in the diagram. Anyhow, can I trust that the statements and the conclusions are clear for you? Okay, good. Now, I said that only some statements, 2 statements, 3 statements, some statements followed by 2 conclusions with 5 options. If you can do it, you can do any problem of syllogism. Yes or no? The final phase. Final phase means now I am explaining the options also for you. Okay? Good. Statement 1. Statement 2. No B is C. No B is C. Okay. Conclusion 1. Some A's are C's. Conclusion 2. No A is C. Okay. I said 5 options now. First option. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. Both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 follows. Either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Okay? Okay. Right. Listen carefully, all of you. Please drop the pens. Please drop the pens. Look at the board seriously. Okay. Some A's are this, no B is C. These two are the statements. First, we have to draw the basic diagram, right? Okay. Some A's are this. No B is C. Okay. The basic diagram I have drawn. First one is some A's or C's is a possibility. Okay, yes. C, you can, possibility means indefinite, na? Okay, good. It is not contradicting, right, with the statements. So, first one is correct or not? Yes, it is. Second one is no A is C. No A is C. Definite negative. No A is C, from the basic it is true. Go with the negation. What is the negation of no? Some. Some A's are C's is a possibility. That's it. The first one is the negation only, right or wrong? The negation is possible or not possible? Means conclusion is not possible. Yes or no? Which is the correct one? Only one follows. So can I say answer is A? Can I say answer is A? Okay. Suppose, second statement I am amending. No A is C is a possibility. Okay. Here no A is C is a possibility. Yes or no? C is here, A is here. Is it a possibility or not? Okay. So this is also correct. The answer will be both 1 and 2 follows. I am amending. Here, what I said, some A's are C's. Yeah, from the basic only, is it happening or not happening? It is not a possibility, right? It is definitely positive, right? From the basic, you have to take the decision, right? Okay, from the basic, is it happening or not happening? Not happening. So, first one is correct or wrong? So, what's the answer you will go? Sir, only one follows, only two follows, both follows, even a kid can answer, yes or no? Okay, so, now I am going to the original question, what I want to give you. This is what I want to give you. Some A's are C's means I have to check it in the basic diagram. Yes or no? This is the basic diagram. Is it happening or not happening? Not happening. So first one is correct or wrong? Okay. Next one is no A is C. Okay. Definite negative. From the basic I have to check first. Yes, it is correct. If it is correct means go with the negation. What is the negation? Some. Okay. Some A's are C's. We have to check it as a definite one or a possibility one? Possibility. Okay, some A's or C's is a possibility. Yes or no? Okay. So now tell me, negation is possible means this is possible. This is correct one or wrong one? Wrong one. Then what is the answer? A will not be, B will not be, C will not be. Answer will be D or E. Both are wrong means default idea you will go with this is. Then what is the use of either C1 or C2? If only first one correct, you will go for only one follows. If only second one correct, you will go with only two follows. Okay, if both are correct, you will go for the third one. If both are wrong, you are going for the fourth one. And then when do you go for the D? Either one or two? Okay. So, either or if you want to go, it has to satisfy some condition. Okay. So, individually both should be wrong. Oh, I have to select the pen now. Okay. Both should be wrong. Okay, this is the first condition. Is it happened or not? Is it happened or not? Okay. Second one is that predicates should be what do we say? Negation to each other. Predicates should be negation to each other. Here, what is this? No. What is the negation of no? Yes, it is happened. Yes or no? Okay, third one is subjects should be same. Subject should be same. Yes. It is AC, it is also AC. If all the three conditions were satisfied, don't go with neither nor. Go with either or. If it is also not, go with neither nor. If it is also not, go with neither nor. Okay, now tell me in this case, what is the answer? Either or. Because both are individually wrong. Subjects are same. Predicates are negation to each other. So the answer will be neither nor or either or? Either or. Am I clear? This is about this one. This is about this one. Yeah, today I forgot to even have some water also. I don't know whether you focus this much or not. I focus. Got it? Very good. Sir, here I have a small doubt. Here I have a small doubt. Can I ask you? Can I? Yeah, keep these 5 options in your brain. What's the first option? Only C1 follows, only C2 follows, both follows, either or, neither nor. 5 options. Okay, because every time I'm unable to write all these 5. But I'll give the statements and conclusions. Statements and conclusions. Yeah, can I go for the next one? Is the copying completed? Good. Right. So statement 1, he said that no A is B. Statement 2 is that all B's are C's. Why should I go with all always? Go with some. Some B's are C's. Some B's are C's. Conclusion 1. All A's are C's. Conclusion 2. Some A's are not C's. Okay? You answer me. I have given 5 options now, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Which is correct one for this question? Yeah, you answer these 2 questions. Okay? I have given 5 options now. Try all the 5. But the conclusions are different, now. What's the answer for the first one? Only C2 follows. Okay. First one. Second one? Either C1 or C2. First one both follows. Yeah. For the first question, what's the answer here? C2 follows. Both follows. Either or. Oh, two more options are there out of 5. C1 follows. Good. What's the answer for the second one? Either or. Remaining options. Remaining people. What's yours? Both follows. What's yours? C2 follows. Either or. C1 follows. C1. Either or. C1. Either or. So finally I came to one conclusion that for one question, these many correct answers will not be there. Means definitely either this student or that student are not a problem. Definitely so many are wrong. Yes or no? Each option was given by 2 members, 3 members, means all the remaining members are failed. Only one is correct, na? Okay. So for the entire syllogisms, this is the most important slide. What do you say? If you memorize each and every word of this slide, each and every word and its meanings, you will never do a mistake. It is not possible to go for a mistake. Okay. So I am requesting all of you to go through this slide again. Read each and every word of it. Understand it and feel it. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Okay. I am maintaining 2 minutes silence. Online students. Everybody go for it completely. Murli garu. Right, have you gone through it clearly? Once you said completed means, I'll go for the solution for the given questions. Completed? Gone through it? Time required? Okay, take your time. The advantage of this topic is maths, non-maths is not there. Right? Anybody can do it. Can I go for the questions? Completed? Come on. Right, good. Let's go to the question. Here, no A is B. I'm going with the basic diagram as usual. No A is B. A and B should not have a relation. Okay, fine. Some B's are this. Okay, B and C should have a relation. Happy. Conclusion one, all A's are B's. Definite positive. From the basic, I have to decide. It is not happening. Ruled out. Some A's are not B's. From the basic, it is happening. If it is happening, it is definite negative. So go with the negation of it. Negation of some not is all. Okay, all A's are C's. Now I have to check it as a definite one or a possibility one? Possibility. All A's are C's means, yeah, what I can say is A and B should not have a relation, B and C should have a relation. That's it, yes or no? I will draw the C like this. Any problem for you? All A's are C's. Some B's are C's. Yes or no? No A is B. All conditions were satisfied, right? Okay. So, which is possible? Conclusion or the negation? If the negation is possible, conclusion is, but you said that C2 is possible. You know, because when you go with the negation, it is possible. So, tick it. Gone it. Do you understand my point? Do you understand my point? If the negation is possible, conclusion is possible or impossible? Impossible. Okay. So both are wrong. When both are wrong, what will you think? Neither nor, either or. Okay. So first condition, both should be wrong. Happy. Second condition, subjects are same. Superb. Third condition, predicates are negation to each other. All and some not of negation. Now tell me your answer will be either or. Any doubt here? Say loudly. Clear. Here, those who said wrong answers, correct yourself. That's it. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Okay. A doctor will be a original doctor once he killed 10 people. Yes or no? That is known as experience. Okay, so this is one among them out of 10. Let's go for the next one. No A is B. Go with the diagram. No A is B. A and B have no relation. Some B's have C's. These two have some relation. Okay, basic diagram. The same diagram, right? Okay, first conclusion, no A is C. Definite negative. From the basic, it is true. Means I have to go with the negation. Negation of no is some. Some A's are C's. Yes, it can be. It's a possibility. I have to check. Na? A can be like this. No A is B satisfied. Some B's are C satisfied. So negation is possible. Which is possible? Negation is possible. Means conclusion is wrong. Okay, first one is wrong. Superb. Some A's are C's. It is definite positive. You should think like a possibility or a what do we say? From the basic only you have to decide. Basic. From the basic, is it happening? Is it happening? No. Second one is valid or invalid? Invalid. If both are wrong, think of again either or neither nor. Both are wrong. Same subjects. Okay, predicates are negation to each other. Answer is either or. What's the answer for both the questions? Either or only. I have framed it like this. Wait. Now I have beautiful questions for you. Forget about C1, C2. Now freshly I am writing C1 and C2 again. C1, all A's are C's. C2, some C's are not A's. Okay. Here also forget about this C1 and C2. I am going with fresh. No A is C. Some C's are yes. What you notice there? First one kept as it is, right? The second one, what I did? Just the subjects were interchanged. Same here also, right? Now you try it sincerely. Now you try it sincerely. Actually, I want to inject one concept into your brain. It's background work I already finished long ago, so long ago when you were all youth. Now we have to apply it. Okay? So finish. Amok, the last statement that you passed is not complete. Then we can check for individual statements. What is that? If individually they are wrong and subjects are same, predicates are neither nor means automatic means predicates are negation means either one is possible. Okay? Yeah, try all of you. Do you understand why they has given this one into you? Into your curriculum? What's the answer for the first one? Huh? C1 follows. Statements are same. First conclusion is same. First one follows or does not follow? How can you say that first one follows? It's a shock for me. Sorry? Conclusion 2 follows. Sure? I'm not sure. Okay, now I will think of it. Whatever the second?
Either.
Either or? Sure? Here I am giving small change in the statements also this time. Some. Do it again, no problem. Some A's are B's, some B's are C's. Some A's are B's, some B's are C's. Same conclusions. Try it. Come on, do it. Each question, 1 minute only you have to complete. My target is 30 seconds. Second set of conclusions. Drawn the basic diagram? Have you drawn the basic diagram? Validate the first conclusion. This one. All A's are C's. Validate. Correct or wrong? All of you? Wrong. Second one. Some C's are not A's. Correct or wrong? Wrong. Whatever the remaining. Wrong. Rajkumar. Wrong. Okay, think of either or neither nor. Either or, check it. Enough checking. Leave it. Keep your answer with you. Go to the next one. Same diagram, right? Okay, means for this, whatever the diagram, now verify no A is C. Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay. No A is C. Try. From the basic diagram, it is correct. Go with the negation. Some A's are C's, like a possibility. Is it a possibility or not? Some A's are C's, is it a possibility or not? Yes. So first one is negation is possible. Conclusion is wrong. Okay. Go to the second one. Some C's are A's. Definite positive, right? From the basic, take the decision. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Okay, both are wrong. Then think of either or neither nor. Think it. Reserve the verdict. What's the answer? What's the answer for this question here finally? Your opinion. Correct or wrong? Leave it. Either or is there or neither or is there? Neither nor. Okay. Yeah, what's the answer for this? Either or.
One follows other also.
Something is fishy. I have not understand.
One thing is correct, another also will be correct.
Yeah, observe this slide. Observe this slide. All A's are B's, all B's are A's. Both are same or different? Yeah, very important focus. All A's are B's, all B's are A's. Both are same or different? Different. Some A's are B's, some B's are A's. Both are same or different? Same. Okay? No A is B, no B is A. Both are same or different? Same. Okay, some A's are not B's, some B's are not A's. Both are same or different? Keep this point in your brain. Some and no means same. Subjects reversed also same. All and some not. Subjects reversed means not same. I have to say that both are not same. Yes or no? Okay, that is the important point now. Based on that, I framed the questions. Okay, so that each and every point I can fix into your brain. Okay, right. Out of marks you should get in syllogism. That's my target. Yeah, good. Here, what is the basic diagram here? Some A's are B's, A, B, B, C. This is the basic diagram, right? Okay, all A's are C's means definite positive, means from the basic it is not happening. I will rule out. Some C's are not A's. Okay, some C's are not A's, from the basic it is correct. Negation, if I go, negation means all C's are A's. Okay, all C's are A's means like this also I can draw C, right or no? Yes, negation is possible. Negation is possible means conclusion is wrong. Happy. When both are wrong, we'll think of either or neither nor. Observe, both are wrong. First condition satisfied. Predicates are negation to each other. Condition satisfied. Third condition is subject should be same. Yes or no? Are the subjects same or subjects order changed? Order changed. Then you should understand that, sir, if it is no, no A is B, no B is A. Both are same. Subjects order changed also not a problem. Do you understand that? If it is some A's are B's, some B's are A's. Both are same or different? Same. Okay, no problem. But if it is all A's are B's, all B's are A's. Both are same or different? Oh, different. Some A's are not B's, some B's are not A's. Both are same or different? Now tell me, here order changed. Now tell me here, can I go for either or neither nor only? Neither nor. Do you understand? A small gap that you have to learn. Okay, so answer is neither nor. Come to this one. No A is C. Okay, from the basic it is correct. Definite negative. Go with the negation. Negation means some A's are C's. Okay, some A's are C's means, okay, I can draw the C like this. Possibility is there. Okay, so negation possible means conclusion is wrong. Happy. Some C's are A's. Definite positive. From the basic it is not happening. So ruled out. Individually both are wrong. As usual, I have to think of either or and neither nor. Yes or no? Okay. So both are wrong. Predicates are negative to each other. Negation to each other. Subjects order was changed. Yes or no? But sir, no A is C means no C is A. Yes or no? That means order is same or different now? Same. Yes or no? Now tell me, it is neither nor or either or? Either or. Do you understand all the models of it? Got my point? The beauty of our reflection IAS is, okay, not only our CSAT part. Okay, suppose if you observe, we have two directors. Andro, we'll say, Dr. Vivekananda sir. Okay. Another one is Ramana sir. Okay, maybe you don't know that. He's a CAT faculty, the other Ramana sir. Okay, so CAT faculty of our department, arithmetic reasoning, all these questions you know very well. Okay, right. Each and everybody, their specialty is, they have gone to each and every corner of the subject. That's the beauty of that one. They will choose the faculty also like that only. That is the reason. Now, if you observe our board, the faculty photos are there now. Okay, all are from North India, Delhi faculty. Only one from local. Okay, local Chandigarh. All the remaining are non-locals. That is the specialty. Okay, so why? Because they want to start it as with a vision. They started. If you observe, everybody's brochure will have our vision, our mission. Yes or no? Everybody. Really tell me, they will follow that or not? To be honest, no. But actually, observe a small point here. Our director, Vivekananda sir, is already, what do we say, in Ministry of Defense of Civil Services. He is already a civil servant. He is already an MBBS graduate. Okay, now tell me, for profit point of view, is this required or not required? You tell me. Being a civil servant, the society, the status, the facilities, everything will be more. Or as a faculty, coaching center director, it will be more. When you will get more respect here? Yes or no? But then why he started it? Because if I am a good employee, okay, suppose in this organization, suppose if I am a good employee, I can do service to some students, I can do service to the organization. Yes or no? Okay, if being a good employee, Suppose if I'm a good faculty, then I can generate good people for the society. That is the reason teaching is a noble profession. Right or wrong? So our Vivekananda sir actually from 6th class onwards, he studied free till he's a doctor, MBBS. Okay, because the schools are in competition saying that you come to my school, you come to my school, everything is free. We'll give you stipend, no problem if you want. Because ranker, automatically the demand will be there now. Intermediate free, MBBS 120 rank. Okay, that time NEET is not there now. MSET 120 rank in medical. Getting 120 in medical is easy job or a very difficult job? Very difficult job, he got it. Okay, he has not chosen for AIMS, Delhi or something places where very excellent, that time bifurcation is also not there. Usmania is a beautiful hospital to go, right? For MBBS. No, he has chosen nearby. SV, SWIMS we will call it. Okay, from there, after coming that, some of their seniors are civil servants. With that passion, why don't I become a civil servant? Came back. Okay, but with the passion, he came to this sector. Okay, he started this with a passion. If you observe last time also, okay, what I said in the last time? So our organization is providing Super 90 batch, right? Civil servants, Super 90. Super 90 batch, I said that, yeah, you better try to join. I said like that, or I said that they will conduct an examination. If you qualify, then only you will be given an admission here. Yes or no? Else, don't need. Okay, because we need only quality products. And we will provide the best quality to them. Okay, if I provide this level to a 10th standard student, will he live or will he die in the class only? With a heart stroke or brain stroke, he will die, yes or no? So that means that if I want to give the quality product, you should also be in a state to receive that. Yes, or else there won't be any resonance. Sync will not be there. Okay, automatically bridge will close, yes or no? That is the reason, okay, they are conducting the test. They are conducting the test. And one more thing, okay, today only I came to know that. Okay, I was surprised actually. So anybody, what they will say here, if you have an attempt, come and join. Everybody says like this, or no? Okay, they are restricting that. We don't want 2020 passed out students. We need for Super 90 only 2023 and 2024 passed out students. Do you understand my point? So suppose if you are a student of 2021, we will say that for you no admission is there. Okay, if you are a 23 or 24 passed out student, then only Super 90 admission will be given to you. Okay, from the 1st June onwards it will be provided. From the 1st June. 1st June to 30th June of that month, they will provide free program for NCERT books, means foundation part. Okay, from July 1st onwards, February 15th, okay, pre-decided schedule. Means, okay, this time to this time, the history faculty come from Delhi. This time to this time, the what do we say, quality faculty come from Delhi. Reservation is completed. This time to this time, Amarnath will come and complete the CSAT part. Hope you understand. The schedule is already completed. By February 15th, the batch will be closed. Okay, meanwhile, and after that, revisions, test series, etc., etc., etc. Hope you understand. Okay, very, 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 what do we say, beautiful schedule was created. Okay. So the best thing that you can do is, of course, for your examination, we are giving our best for you, right? Okay, so what you can do the best for the organization is, we are restricting to only few conditions. Number one is 23, 24 passed outs. Number two, if you write the examination, that student, if he get qualified, then only he will be given the admission, right? So we are expecting the quality products, and for them, we want to give the best to them. Do that support for us. Can I expect that? Can I means the organization can expect that or not? Okay, in your circle, anybody 23 qualified, 24 qualified, and they want to come for the civil services, okay, refer us. Okay, so in the examination of the test, if they get good score, they'll give some scholarship also for them. Okay, so that they can go through it. As I said earlier, already for you also some bribe will be given. What is that? Some book coupons, bookstore coupons, or study space coupons, etc. will be. Okay, if you want details about that, Ramana sir will be there. He is also a director. As I said earlier, he is a CAT faculty for our department. In our department, CAT faculty means that is equal to sky. Do you find any height other than sky? No, right? That is equal to infinite level. Okay, sir is very much senior to me. Okay, right. I am also a CAT faculty, but sir is also a CAT faculty long ago. Okay, so director sir himself will give you the guidance. Means what is our program, etc., etc. Okay, right? Don't miss it. Okay. So like summary wise, one of your friend is asking for types of conclusions again. Okay. Yeah. One more time. This one because your friend is asking in online. Okay. Once it is completed means I'll give the handout to you. Okay. Good. Once the handout is given means this time I'm not giving you 1.5 minute of time for each question. I'm giving you strictly 1 minute of time for each question. Because this question required 1.5 minute or only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Actually, I have to give 30 seconds only. Since I am very much kind, already I said that all men are kind now. In that perspective, I am giving you 1 minute of time. Okay, good. Here, conclusions here. If you find a definite positive conclusion, go through the basic diagram. In the basic diagram, if it is correct, it is correct. If it is wrong, it is wrong. Okay. If it is indefinite conclusion, okay, first check the basic diagram. From the basic diagram, if it is correct, happy it is correct. If it is not wrong, not correct, then amend the basic diagram to make the conclusion a correct one. To make the conclusion a correct one. Okay. And if it is not contradicting with the given statements, if it is not contradicting, that means that the conclusion is correct. Else, it is wrong. If you are going with a definite negative, first of all, check with the basic diagram. If it is wrong in the basic diagram, happy, it is wrong in the conclusion is wrong only. Suppose if it is correct in the basic diagram, go with the negation. What is negation of word no? Some. Some not all. Okay, write the negation. Check it as a possibility. Check it as a possibility. Okay, if it is possible, check it as a possibility means try to correct it by amending the basic diagram right from the same cinema. Okay, if it is possible, the conclusion is wrong. If it is not possible, the conclusion is correct. Got it? This is the way. Yeah, please give the handouts. Yeah, good. Shall we start the questions? Okay. Syllogism by myself, Amana Dimani. Let us start the problems. Yeah, this is CSAT 2020 question here. All cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. Okay, basic diagram drawing is important for this question. Okay, second one. All cats are black. Again, cats only, no? So, can I write the black like this? Yes or no? Okay. What's the first conclusion? All dogs are not black. All dogs are not black. Okay, which type of conclusion it is? All not. All not means all means definite only, no? All not. Definite negative. Okay, definite negative here. Okay, first I am going. All dogs are not black. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Okay, if it is correct, okay, then what should I do? Go with the class video not visible. I think now it is visible, right? Okay, good. Okay, all dogs are not black is correct. Okay, if it is correct, go with the negation now. Negation means not will go out now, vanish now. All dogs are cat. All dogs are cat, I should treat it as a possibility. Okay, all dogs are black. Can I write the black like this? Our intention is all cats are black. Yes, it is happening. Okay, negation is possible, right? If the negation is possible, means the conclusion is correct or wrong? Wrong. So, first one is wrong. Am I clear? Go to the second one. Some dogs are not black. Okay, some dogs are not black. Yes, from the basic it is happening. Okay, so it is definite negative. Then go with the negation. Negation means some not means all. Okay, all dogs are black. Okay, yes, it is possible, right? Means conclusion 2 is correct or wrong? So both are wrong. Now you have to think of either not required because it is not there. Yes or no? Happily answer will be neither one nor two. Do you understand why I have explained with 5 is? Okay, I have explained with 5 options. One he will remove. If he remove either, you feel very much happy. Suppose if he has not removed either, you will suffocate in the examination hall. That's why all the 5 I have explained you. Okay? Can I go to the next one? Yes, he said 2015 year. Statements. Some men are great, not some all. Some men are wise. Again, not some all. Yes or no, Rajkumar? Okay, good. Some men are wise. Basic diagram completed. Okay, a conclusion. Men are either great or wise. And what is the meaning of men are either great or wise? All the men, if you take, definitely either they will be in wise, they will be in great. Yes or no? Okay, it is definite or indefinite? No. Men are means all men are. Either this one or that one means I am confining to that one. Means it is definite. It is definite. If it is definite means, sir, it in this case. Okay, it's a failure. Yes or no? From the basic I have to decide now. Okay, definite positive means. Okay, it is failed. Okay, failed means failed only. Yes or no? Conclusion 2. Some men are neither great nor wise. Yeah. Some men are neither great nor wise means it is negative one. Yes or no? Definite only, right? Neither nor means okay. Definite negative. Definite negatives are here are some men. They are neither wise nor great. Definite negative is possible. Correct. From the basic. Then what will you do? Negation. Negation means what happens, sir? All men will be either yes or no. Now I will draw the observe. Wise like this, great like this I will draw. Is it a possibility or no? All the men will be either wise or great, right? So negation is possible, right? If the negation is possible, conclusion is correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay, either or is there or not? Not. So answer is neither one nor two. So initially, this paper actually I can arrange in a beautiful way that first question, at least one conclusion correct. Yes or no? Like that, if I give, students will be with positive mood, they will do right or wrong. But why I have not segregated like that is, yeah, you are doing, both are wrong. You are doing, both are wrong. Automatically your confidence will go out. Yes or no? Okay. So suppose I am doing these two questions. My confidence is going out or not? Not. Because I know that, yes, if I do a problem is, that is absolutely correct. That confidence I have. If you have that confidence, you will never lose it. Up to that extent, you should practice. Got it? Actually, when I am roaming in the here, I would like to say that. But if I say that means, I have given the key for the first two questions, right? That is the reason I have not announced that. Okay, so you should be confident. Okay, yes, it's at 2021 year. A statement followed by conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 is given below. You have to take the statements to be true even it seems to be at variance from the commonly known facts. That's what already said now. Okay. So, read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follow or follows from the statements. Disregarding of commonly known facts. Okay. Commonly known facts, from that you don't. Okay. From that if I want to answer means, men are either great or wise. Commonly known facts. What do you say? Yes. But I am not going for that. I am confining to from the given statements only, right? Okay, good. Some radios are mobiles. Some radios are mobiles. All mobiles are computers. Some computers are watches. Remember that some computers are watches, not mobiles. That can be or cannot be. This is a basic diagram, right or wrong? Okay, see the first question. Certainly some radios are watches. Sir, here he used the word certainly. What is the meaning of certainly? For sure. For sure means definitely. No need of that one here. Whether you keep it or not, that doesn't give any sense for me. Some radios or watches means definite only. Okay, definite positive. From the basic, I have to decide the conclusion. Some radios or watches, yes or no? No. So this is not correct. Okay, again, certainly I can leave. Some mobiles are watches. Some mobiles are watches. Yes, sir. Some computers are watches. Mobiles, not happening. So second one is valid or invalid? Invalid. So subjects are same or different? Different. So no need to go with either or also. Okay, so answer is neither nor. Oh, third one also neither nor means your confidence levels will be boosted a lot. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, CSAT 2021 year. Yeah, I think this no need to read it, right? Yes or no? Okay, good. See the question. Some cats are almirahs. Cats are almirahs. All almirahs are chairs. So this is cat, this is chair. Okay, all chairs are tables. All chairs are tables. Right? Basic diagram completed. Have you written the basic diagram? Okay. Conclusion one. Certainly, yeah, tell me, certainly is required or not required? Okay, some almirahs are tables. Some almirahs are tables. Yes or no? Yes, first one is correct or wrong? Yes, it is. Second one, some cats may not be chairs. What is the meaning of may not be? Possibility. Possibility. Some cats may not be chairs. Yes, here is a cat that may not be a chair. Is it a possibility or not? Yes. Okay. So second one is also correct. So answer is both. So answer it is C. Clear? Good. Go for the fifth one. I think today we can go before 8 o'clock. Yesterday we are compensating today. Let's see the yeah, CSAT 2017 here. All colors are pleasant. Some colors are pleasant. Yeah, this is a different type of question. Actually, this type of questions we will say that logical questions are, that's it. We won't say syllogism, logical questions. Okay? But we can relate to syllogism also, that's why you have given here only. All colors are pleasant, some colors are pleasant, no color is pleasant. Means if you observe, all are dependent on colors and pleasant. Okay. So all colors are pleasant. This is the first one. Second one, some colors are pleasant. Third one, no color is pleasant. Fourth one, some colors are not pleasant. Some not. Okay, what's the first one? Given that the statement 4 is true, which is true, fourth one is true. Okay, which can be definitely concluded. Which can be definitely concluded. Okay, so which can be definitely, you want to definitely concluded only now? Question number is 5. Can be definitely concluded. Okay, good. Yeah, tell me here. So, fourth one is correct. Means some colors are not pleasant is conclusion. Okay. Yeah, now tell me here, all colors are pleasant. Are you able to conclude or unable to conclude? False. Okay. Yes or no? If it is the case, I am unable to say that all colors are. Okay. Some colors are pleasant. What about this? May or may not. But he is asking about definitely. Oh. No color is pleasant. Okay, this is definitely false or may not be. So let's come to this. This is may or sorry, definitely false. D false. D means definitely. Some colors are pleasant. Yeah, this is true means the pleasant might be like this also, right? Means that is definitely false or probably false? Probably. Okay. Okay. So probably false. Or probably correct also. Okay, no color is pleasant. If it is the case, that is the wrong one. Else that is the correct one. Yes or no? Means that is definite or indefinite? Indefinite. So probably false or probably true also. Okay, so what he is asking? 1 and 2 are true. Will you say that? He is saying about definitely. Yes or no? 3 is definitely true. Definitely, right? 3 is definitely true? No. 2 is false, means 2 is definitely false, yes? 2 is definitely false or probably false? Okay, means definitely not now. Okay, 1 is false. Yes, 1 is definitely false. So what I can conclude is 1 is definitely false. D is the answer. Clear? Yeah, yeah, again this is common now. Okay, CSAT 2022 here. All pens are books. No chair is a pen. No chair is a pen. Pen and chair doesn't have a relation. This book and pen may have a relation. Will be a relation or may have a relation. Okay, good. First one. All chairs are there. How many conclusions you have here? How many conclusions? 4 conclusions. Oh, super. All chairs are books. All chairs are books. First one is yes or no? No. Why? Because definite positives are. From the basic, I am unable to conclude. Second one, some chairs are pens. Definite positives are. Some chairs are pens. I am unable to conclude. Yes or no? Okay. Third one, all books are chairs. Oh, no. Fourth one, no chair is a book. Sir, it's a negation now. So definitely the negative now. First go with the basic diagram. Okay, no chair is a book, correct? Okay, go with the negation. What's the negation of no? Some chairs are book. Now I have to take it as a possibility. The chair can be drawn like this because chair and pen doesn't have a relation. I am not disturbing that. So is it a possible or not? Which is possible? Negation means conclusion is wrong. Okay, all the four conclusions are wrong. Any either or is there or not, we have to check. Only one follows, only two follows, both follows, waste. So answer is none of the conclusion follows. What's the answer? D is the answer. Am I correct? Can I go to the next one? As usual, this is the common one. CSAT 2022. Okay, some doctors are teachers. Some doctors are teachers. All teachers are engineers. All engineers are scientists. Superb. Conclusion. Some scientists are doctors. Some scientists are doctors. Is it right or wrong? Definite positive means from the basic I have to decide. Conclusion 2. All engineers are doctors. Definite positive. From the basic I have to decide. Sir, all engineers are not doctors, sir. From the diagram, yes or no? Second one is true or wrong? No. Some engineers are doctors. Some engineers are doctors. Definite positive means from the basic I have to decide. Is it true or not? Yes. So what is the answer? 1 and 3. Which option is the answer? C. Got it? So do you understand the basic importance of the basics in syllogism? Yesterday while I am leaving, I said that don't come even 1 minute late to the class, right? Today so many members attended the class lately. Right? Okay. So don't repeat. 8th one. So consider the following statements and conclusions. CSAT 2019 yeah. Statements. Some rats are cats. Some cats are dogs. No dog is a cow. This is cat, this is cow. Dog and cow doesn't have a relation. For the remaining, it might have a relation, right? Okay, good. Conclusion. No cow is a cat. Definite negative. First check in the basic diagram. No cow is a cat. Yes, it is correct. Go with the negation. If it is correct, means go with the negation. What is the negation of no? Some. So some cows are cat. Yes, I can draw the cow like this. Yes or no? Means possible or not possible? Which is possible? Negation possible means conclusion is wrong. Go to the second one. No dog is a rat. Definite negative. From the basic it is superb. Okay, as usual go with the negation. Negation of no is some. So dog can be written like this, right? Yes or no? Okay, some rats can be dogs. Means negation is possible. Means the conclusion is wrong. Third one. Some cats are rats. Some cats are definite positive. From the basic I concluded this is correct. So only which is correct? Only 3. Okay. Shall we go to the last question? CSAT 2021 here. Up to here it is the common statements, commonly known facts, etc., etc. Okay. Conclusion statement 1. Some greens are blues. Okay. Some blues are black. Okay. Some blues are black. Okay. Statements completed. Go with the conclusions. 4 conclusions he gave. Okay. First one. Some greens are blacks. Some greens are blacks is definite for sure, right? From the basic decided. Yes or no? Some greens are blacks. Both are BB only. Blue and black. If you keep both B, you will be a BB. Okay. So it is blue, it is black. He said that some greens are blacks. It is not possible. Okay. Second one. No green is a black. Definite negative from the basic correct. Go with the negation. What's the negation? Some. Okay. Some greens are black. Now I have to check it as a possibility. Can I draw the black like this? Yes. Negation is possible. Negation is possible means conclusion is wrong. Second one is wrong. Third one. All greens are blacks. Definite positive. Means from the basic I have to decide. All greens are not black. So third one is wrong. Fourth one. All blacks are greens. Again the same thing one. Definite positive not. Okay. Now observe the options. Which of the following is correct? Conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 only. Yes or no? Yes or no, first one? 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, right? No, no. What happened here? He said that which of the following are correct? He's saying conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are correct. Is it correct or wrong? So first option will be the answer, will not be the answer. Only 2 and 3. Only 3 and 4. Neither conclusion 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So with this successfully we completed here. Maybe the explanation we completed in that time. Okay. Good. Any doubts, my dear boys and girls? Okay, can I say that this is the end of the syllogism or any doubts? If you have any doubts, you are free to ask in syllogism. Okay. Hope you understand? Yeah. In the next session, I'll go for data sufficiency. The beauty of data sufficiency is, okay, day 1 I have given the weightage for you. On which topic, how many questions you got, yes or no? Okay, in that weightage, the most beautiful part is, suppose in the number system, if you find 30 questions, all 30 are not direct questions of number system. At least 5 to 7 questions are data sufficiency questions on number system. Okay, if I said from percentage, you got 5 questions in the last year, suppose. Okay, out of 5, definitely 2 questions will be in data sufficiency. Got it? So, but if you want to answer them, first you have to know the concept of data sufficiency. Okay, in data sufficiency, every topic will be covered. Common sense questions, number system, ratios, ages, partnership, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, averages, or mixed and allegation, time and work, time and distance, mensuration, geometry, whatever. You can touch any topic. Okay. So, but the beauty of data sufficiency is he won't go deeper concepts of the topics. Okay. But if you want to answer, you should know what is data sufficiency exactly. If you know what is data sufficiency and the basics of each topic, 100% accurately you can answer that data sufficiency questions. Point 1. Point 2. Except the number system, permutations, combinations and common sense questions. These 3 if you leave. Okay. In the remaining questions, suppose if you give a time and work question in the data sufficiency, time and distance question in data sufficiency, averages question, percentages, profit and loss questions. If you find any question of arithmetic except, so because in data sufficiency, arithmetic reasoning will also be there. Okay, blood relation based data sufficiency will be there. Ranking or seating arrangement and puzzles, blood relations, directions, clocks, calendars, anything will be given in data sufficiency. Okay. But coming to arithmetic part of data sufficiency, students feel a bit difficult actually. But the beauty is that except what are the topics? Number system, common sense questions and permutations and combinations. In any other topic, if you give a question, the beauty is that suppose if I am good at the data sufficiency as well as the topic, okay, by seeing that, enough. Read the question, means 2 statements will be given. Okay, 2 statements followed by 10 to 15 seconds. Full to bindas, you can answer that. No need to keep paper and pen. No need to keep the pen on the paper. That's the beauty of the topic. That was beautiful. But you should pinpoint a difference you should know about data sufficiency concept. That I will explain you in the next session as a basic. Maybe half an hour I will explain you. Or maybe 45 minutes I will explain you in the next session. Okay, that half an hour or 45 minutes, whatever I explain is most valuable, right?